G'day. We are at the Koulen Hotel and I'm going to show you the room that we've been staying in for the last couple of days. It is a very flash room and I've actually got 3 bedrooms. Let's have a look. Oh yes. So this is a massive room. The reason why we got this room was we wanted to treat the newlyweds to a couple of nights in somewhere nice, and we've been here probably 3 times before. We think it's pretty good without being stupidly expensive, and they like to be around the family, so it's a great way to house them. And yeah, we had all the kids here and they went to the pool and they can hang out in the lounge. So yeah, anyway, let's have a look at the room, guys. This is our lounging area, which is excellent. It's a good L-shape designed couch here where Kinal can relax and Max can have a snooze. Really big entertainment unit with a TV. It looks disproportionately small on it. This is like 9 meters long. Don't let the room size fool you. That is a long entertainment cabinet. Shut up about the entertainment cabinet. We've got a fridge. Fridges in hotel rooms are excellent because it means you can chuck your beer in there and it gets cold. Excuse me. No spicy. We've got some food in here. We've got the remnants of an evening on the piss. What is that? Wine? It's wine cooler. You had some wine cooler. There's some Max's food and some other bits and pieces. We have a very big kitchen. This is again, pretty large kitchen area. It's, I don't know if you're going to use all this, but it's like proper stone bench tops. And look at all these cupboards. If you're coming here for 3 days and you need this much storage space, we have to have words. That's a lot of storage. It's almost like they've said we've got this area as a kitchen, we need to fill it in. And there are 9 million cupboards above and below the shelf. What do you call that? The bench. I just said it. Toaster. These cooktops. Now, Brian, I know you like these cooktops. Cooktops. I don't know how to use them, and it's probably a good thing, so I don't have to burn myself. Nice range hood. Look at that. 3-speed. Trimatic. Yes. Dining area and a really nice balcony that goes all the way around, like half the thing over. And here's the situation of this particular establishment. This is Heritage Walk, just over here. Royal Gardens are just down there. Pub Street is about 10-minute walk that way, but we are in the French Quarter, and I quite like it. And look at the roads. Aren't the roads lovely? There's a guy down there. G'day, how you going? Yeah, so very good location. Nice quiet spot. Not too far from the riffraff, but far enough away from the riffraff that it's quite nice and peaceful and quiet. Now, let's check out the master bedroom. Why is there so much kitchen stuff?
Because it was built originally to sell us an apartment.
Really?
Yeah. But then probably it's not going as well as they expected. So they turned it into a accommodation.
Oh, well that makes a lot more sense.
Yeah, that's why. They wanted to sell it as an apartment.
Well, these would have been apartment. Okay, there you go.
Yeah.
Oh well, maybe I'll have to cut that last bit about complaining about how much space there is. Master bedroom. Here's our mess in here. We're packing up to move to a different accommodation. You get your wardrobe area with is that a bin? Is there a snake in there? Oh well, lucky we actually looked in here because it's Mum Max's dirty clothes. Did you know that? There's a wardrobe area and they actually put Max's dirty clothes in there. Lucky I checked that bin looking for snakes. That goes in the area here. So the master bedroom, you've got a fridge, which is good, plenty of drawer space, another tally. Something that I think is excellent as well, USB outlets near the bed, so just have to plug in your charger here and it does the job. You get these cool trendy lights, which I've got a volume switch, so you can turn them up and down. Have a listen to that. Listen to that electricity burning. Don't know what that light does, but does something. More switches down there. Plenty of wardrobe space down here too, ladies and gentlemen. The bathrooms are reasonably sized as well. There's your dunny, there's your shower. Excellent separation between shower and dunny. That is very important if you don't want to have a wet bum. Excellent shower head, plenty of room in here to bathe yourself. A big mirror to see that you're still just as fat as you were when you got off the plane. Hairdryer included, which is handy, so you don't have to bring your own. And you can, oh, you got to plug it in down there. How strong is it? Let's check out the force. That works well. As far as hairdryers are concerned, it's definitely one of them. And each room in here is also individually zoned with its own climate control, so you can have the bedroom at 25 degrees or whatever you want to set it at, the lounge room at its own temperature, which is over here, and it's got its own climate control panel, and each of the other bedrooms have their own climate control panels as well. So this is the guest quarters. I dare say that this would have had a door handle at one point, so you could potentially shove your kids over here and let the noise and riffraff in this side of the house. There is a guest bathroom, which one of the kids locked on their way out, so we can't get back in. Big deal. And you also got these two rooms. Now, each room is keyed off. We haven't told them this, they've shut it off, thinking we can't get access, but I'll give them a big tip. Still get in. But yeah, these rooms are a tiny bit smaller. This is where the newlyweds stayed. Different layout of the room, same sort of format here. Let's just check the bin to make sure. It's just got the robes in there, that's fine. Desk, fridge, bed, tally, you know the drill. USB outlets here as well. The bathroom is just as nice, albeit in a slightly different configuration. Hairdryer's over here, toilet over there, shower here with this nice motif there. Doesn't it look exquisite? Climate control as per the other rooms. Let's get out of here. And finally, bedroom number 3. This one is the unlucky bedroom without an ensuite, but still a reasonable sized room. No fridge. Oh, there could have been a fridge in there, but they just haven't put one in. But yeah, same amenities in here as the other rooms, bar a fridge. So how much does a room like this cost in Siem Reap? For the whole lot, it is $195 per night. That might seem a bit much, but if you break it down, it works out to be $65 per room per night. So a single room with a lounge room and a bedroom, and I'll put a link above where you can actually see what a single room looks like, because we stayed here when we got married. $65 if you get a 2-bedroom, $130 if you get 3-bedroom, $195. I think that's how it works. If not, I'll write something in the comments. We like the place. It's comfortable without being like over the top flash, modern enough. It's in a good location, and it's got the size which allows us to sort of socialise out there. We bring some of the Kinal's kids, or some of the family over. They love to swim in a pool, and they can sleep in the other bedrooms, and it just gives them a treat and a night away from home. But we are shifting, so we are moving to somewhere else, which is significantly cheaper, but same level of modernness, we think, and a floor that reminds me of working in a pizza shop. So join us when we shift over. But yeah, this is the Koulen Hotel. This is what the rooms look like, and we hope you enjoy this tour of the big room at the Koulen Hotel. We'll see you in another video.